Morning, guys. Just heading out to my buddy's house. Got to help him put a air compressor in, kind of like that, but a bigger version of that. I think the twin cylinder one, still an oilless, but his takes, according to this, he's been after me for months to get this, help him with this. This is a 240 volt air compressor. Runs at 14 amps. So that pretty much tells me that I've got to get this for a stock list. I got to get two 15 amp minis to make room. So he'll have two slots for a double pole breaker, 20 amp ITE breaker. That'll give him the 240 volts out there. A couple of Romex connectors, 10 feet of number 12 2 Romex. For 20 amps you want 12 gauge, not 14. Some kind of a box and an outlet of this configuration. That's the 240 style plug configuration. So I think Home Depot's open today. Head over there, get the stock, and then head over to my buddy's house. Okay, here's the deal. I gotta get where'd the mini breaker go? Oh, it's over there. I got an extra space here. I got a couple of 15 amp breakers here, so we're going to take one out, take these two out, put a mini up there. These two circuits will go on the mini breaker. All these breakers I'm going to move up one. Then I'll have a space here for a double pole breaker, which will be our air compressor circuit. There's an unused washer or dryer circuit, one of these that I could use, but we'll keep those there in case he wants to reuse those. And then I'm going to run my wire up there, up above here, and right there I drill out, and that puts me right into the garage, and we're going to put a plug right there. It's a fairly simple job. Okay, so there's the minis to replace two with one size. It's still two separate breakers. And here's the double pole 20 amp for the compressor. These are switched together. When you take your two hots side by side instead of 120 volts, I'll show you. From this bus bar to neutral, you get 120 volts. From bus bar to bus bar, you get 240. And the way these stack up, two next to each other, gives you 240. Okay, grounded out our box. I put the connector in backwards because I'm not chiseling into all that wood that's behind that drywall. And I'm just gonna put a couple of screws in there because I got wood right behind it. Right, Strut?
That's right. You're the man. I break stuff. I don't.
Yeah, we don't want to break stuff.
No.
Then we'll just make up our plug, then we'll go back downstairs and make up the panel, and that'll be all done. Making up the plug. Doesn't matter which side the white and black go because they're both hot. Want about 6 inches coming out. I prefer to make the hooks than use the little, some plugs have the little thing in the back where you can just backstab it. I don't like those as much. I'd rather put them on like this. And just form my wires in so they're not rubbing up against anything sharp. Right, Strut?
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right, Jerky. Tough guy.
Well, I'll take these ears off.
Ears?
They'll get in the way of our cover.
I ain't gonna hear nothing.
That's right. Now this plug can't hear anything.
Now it's gonna want welfare because it's disabled. It's gonna want a handout.
So you're gonna have air now, Strut.
Yeah. Finally.
You'll be able to get in all kinds of trouble out here now.
Oh, you wanna see what I've been using? I need that. There we go. Uh-oh. Oh. It's been my air caddy right here.
Oh yeah, that's an excellent compressor. You could paint like a model car maybe with that.
Yeah, but wait a couple hours.
Yeah. Maybe power and airbrush. It put air in your tires though, I bet.
It does. It takes forever, but...
And there's our compressor plug. 240 volts. It's gonna power that thing. Now he's going to make up the panel downstairs and tighten that up. Okay, here's our 12-2 running down, the white and the black, going into the 20 amp double pole breaker, and the ground wire we put into this bus bar on the right. You put your neutrals and your grounds in there, but this is no neutral, this is two hots. And let's button up the panel and test our plug. Okay, my ancient pair of testers here. From side to side we should get 240. Yep. From side to ground, 120. 120. So we're in business. Now let's see if the compressor works. 6.5, you got a better compressor than I had.
Really? Can I spray with
These things are loud as hell though.
Yeah.
The oilless ones, they make a lot of noise. It's the right plug, right? Okay. Just making sure.
I can hammer it in there if I have to. Hammer it in there, boy.
Fire it up. Excellent.
The walker's awesome. We still figured out what's got the gears though.
Now we can get this thing undercoated, ready for the beach.
Yeah.
It is set up pretty nice.
Yeah. So I didn't want it.
Alright, here's the neon replacement. Much better shape, lower miles, brand new tires, some brake work's already done. I'm going to give that a fix. Thinking of changing the color. Don't really like the color of the car. There's little dings all over it, but it's back's been painted. Deckla's been painted. There's a clear melt here, another one on the other side. It's in decent shape for a, what is it, a 99? Yeah, we're gonna lose this color.
Boston Acoustics G2. It's a $400 speaker.
The paint will fall off the car just by turning that up. Yeah. I think we'll try sanding these headlights down and clearing them too. All right.